Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening this puzzle and colors 3 pieces puzzle, Jigsaw puzzle coloring. This is named for this video. This got 5 color pen. And this is the color. Oh, I love this picture. If you look at the back, it got many 2 colors. I really love this too, but we did get this one. I'm super happy today. Xven sent us these huge things. Alright, this is so much fun. Let's get started. Before we get started, please give me a big thumbs up. Alright, looks like here to open. Alright, so I got my scissors right here. Whoa, so many of the stuff. Let's put it all right here. First we got a blind box and our puzzles. Oh my goodness, it got colored already. Alright, I get 1 pen only. Does this says that we cannot color? Because it got colored already. Alright, so let's do our blind box opening first. Then we do our puzzle. Because this looks fun for the first one. Let's cut it. Cut. Open it. Whoa. So many of the blind boxes inside of there. First, I see a makeup chair. It got some designs right here, and it's blue color or indigo color. We also get a spoon. Yeah, it can make sure that it's the temperature. That it sounds good. Oops. Alright, this is blue color, I think so. We get 2 things is blue color. Alright, inside let's down all the blind bags. Oh my goodness, we get how many blind bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 9 blind bags, but it got 10 actually. Maybe this is also a blind bag. Yeah, I think so. Let's open the smallest one first. It got a zipper. How to open it? Maybe it's right here. And open it. I'm gonna use my scissors always. Let's see. Whoa, we get a nail polish. I also think that is a nail polish, but I did get right. Alright, we can put at our nail just like that. Super nice. Maybe you also can put right here at here. Oh, sorry, nail polish. Right here is also goodie. I'm gonna put it right here. This is the finger. Alright, let's open this one. Nope, this one. This looks perfect for our birthday. I'm gonna go to birthday already. I'm close to my birthday, so this is my gift for my birthday. Whoa, inside we get 2 sisters. One is Princess Anna and one is Queen Elsa. This is you can put on your eraser. This is nice. Let's open it. Yeah, it's like that. Then you can put your eraser inside of there or put at your hands. Right, let's put at our hand. like that. Alright, here we go. Let's continue. Let's open this blind box because it looks, the button design is super cute and nice too. Alright, let's get seeing. 7 more to go. Wow. Let's open it. Oh, we did get Anna charms. So happy. Alright, let's open. This is prices. Let's see. Well, we find the zipper, but I not only use the zipper sometimes. Oh, we get a slime. The slime is so smooth. Alright. Let's get it off. Whoa. This is super nice. It got white color from us to tell us that we needed to mix it up. And it's sticky, but it doesn't stick to your hand. And you can break it easily. This is just like Play-Doh, but this is not Play-Doh. Alright, so this slime makes the best. Whoa. We can play half day. Not only half day. 1 day too. Yeah. I'm so happy to play with it. Nice. Alright, we can get this chunks to put it inside. Just like that. If you open it, you can see the gem, a turquoise indigo color gem. Oh my goodness, this slime is super nice. Alright, so let's continue. I'm gonna take this one first. Just like that. Open it. Here first, this first step is right here. Second, pull this. Just like that. Pull, then you guys can see it. I'm gonna follow the zipper this time. Maybe it's like that. And open it. We get a green slime. Whoa, this is the best slime ever. I'm not gonna use to mix it up because this slime, if we mix it up together and we will make it more ugly, so these two slime are really fun. Yeah. In this two, I really love this one because this one is really smooth and this one is a little bit hard to be it. But I'm gonna put the gem in right inside of this green one because this one is more slime, got more slime, and this one only got a little bit. Alright, so let's get this one. What does inside got? Oh my goodness, another slime. Oh, so many of them. I'm gonna put the gem inside of this slime because this one is more slime. Whoa, so nice. Whoa, it's stretchy just like the first one, and you guys see. Whoa, listen, it's super nice. It doesn't stick to my hand. Then it doesn't stick very hard that I can take it around, but it's stretchy. This is purple color or violet color maybe. Whoa, you broke it. Whoa, this is super nice for us. Alright, let's continue. Later we're gonna go to our mystery blind bag. Let's go to this one, a small to big. Surprises ever. We get a mold for our slime. Let's get our slime, then put it inside. Nice. You can put it inside actually a slime. Super good. Alright, let's get it out. Okay. Alright, we get a pear. It's black color, it turns out. Alright, so last two surprises, then to our mystery blind bags. Only 10 minutes ago, then we get so fast. Oh my goodness. So let's see if we can open it like that, just like that. Whoa. We get a biscuit. You even can take it out, and even the chocolate also can take it out and put it back, just like that. Oh, this is super fun. And we even can take it out, then put our slime in there. Also our pear. This is super crazy. Alright, let's put it in, and it will become a chocolate because the color is like chocolate jam. Oh my gosh, this is super fun. Let's see. Yummy cookie. This color just like this color, right? Because it's dark color, just like that. Right. On to our last surprises, then into our mystery surprises. I think inside we get a spoon. Yeah, of course it's a spoon with something pink design on it at the top, and down there of course is white color. On to our mystery surprises, it says what's inside, then it got this mark. I also wonder what's inside of there. We can use it for this video. Let's see. Another pair of slime. Finally, the best slime ever has come. Oh my goodness, some of the paper sticks on the slime. It's really sticky, yeah, of course. Even the paper also can stick it. We get a problem with this slime. Oh my goodness. Alright. This slime is just like that one that we have opened it. I just put it inside. Alright, so let's mix it together. It turned it like that because I put it into the cookie. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. Alright, so let's mix it together and it will become biggest slime ever. Whoa. It's super slimy and sticky. Look. Whoa. Nice. I haven't opened this one before because this is the best slime I have never seen it. Whoa. Then we can put our Anna inside. And we can put some in Anna's shirt. Under the shirt, you got a whole little bit. We can put it inside actually, but we can't take it out already, so let's put inside a little bit only. Teeny tiny one. It's just so tiny. Nice. Alright. Let's get our messy puzzle. How to do it? This just looks like a parrot at the top. Let's see. It's like that. Alright. Let's follow the instructions. Like this. Nope. Gonna find the first one. At there. Is it like that? No way. Like this? Nope. Like this? Nope. Aha! Yeah. Gonna put it side. Oh. Hands. Right here. It's right here. Alright, we get it. Yay. This stuff's maybe this one I'm gonna do it myself. So thank you guys for watching so much. This is my whole video for this entire whole collections. I'm glad to see you guys again. Alright, so this is our video. We need to make it to the end. Are guys still here? I'm getting tired. But we have opened this huge entire things right here. Then I'm super happy about it. Right, so everybody remember always this line belongs to you guys because this is for free products. And always I do my best to put this video into YouTube. And make sure you guys give us a big thumbs up. I'm gonna put this lime, super big one, in the biscuit. Right, like that. Nice. Yummy. We also can take a little bit of the designs at the top. Looks yummy. So let's put it all around. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Bye everybody. I'm so sad, but happy holidays because it's holidays already. Boy, this is the last day for school. Yeah, I'm so sad for the holidays. Bye.